M12 Milwaukee Packout Light. Fresh battery. Nice little compartment to latch your battery. On button. This guy swivels. The way around. You can bend it all the way down and stand her up. And look at the, I think it has 3 different settings. Look at the light coverage. This is on medium. So we'll go through them. That's high. I'm pretty sure that's about 1500 lumens. Then we got medium. Line up the whole crawl space. And low. And it has a battery indicator. And when you're not using your light, or if you have goodies, storage in here with USB Type-C and a USB Type-A. Put your phone in there. Pretty cool.